Hello friends. So today we will discuss about the important MCQ for staff nurses exam preparation. So the first question is fertilization of ovum take place at, the answer is ampulla. The most frequent causes of maternal death during childbirth is hemorrhage. If a pregnant woman has LMP was on 1/9/2009, then EDD is on 8/6/2010. EDD is calculated on the basis of last LMP plus 9 months plus 7 days. Endometrium after conception is known as decidua. The reagent used for testing urine sugar is Benedict reagent. Fertilized ovum up to 3 to 8 weeks is called embryo. Severe vomiting in pregnancy is hyperemesis gravidum. The hereditary determinants of human are received from genes. Human placenta develop at 3 months of pregnancy. Fusing of sperm and ovum is called fertilization. Injection TT is given to pregnant women to prevent neonatal tetanus. How many pair of chromosome in man? 23. Average weight of an India baby is 3 kg. Hypertensive disorder of pregnancy is eclampsia. An infant sits alone momentarily by about 6 months of age. Most specific cardiac marker in MI is drop eye. Osteology means knowledge of bones. Arthology means study of joints. Myology means study of muscles. Spleen chronology means study or knowledge of organ or viscera. Neurology means study of nerves and nerve structure. CFS means chorionic fatigue syndrome. Full form of FSSA, Food Safety and Standard Act 2006. Ligament join two bones. Tendons join bones to muscles. What is stratum corneum? Protective dead layer of cells of the outer epidermis is called stratum corneum. Cells found on the surface of ovaries are simple cuboidal tissues. PAC is pre-anesthetic checkup. Broca's area. It is the speech area of brain. Haversian canals. Canals containing blood within compact bones are called Haversian canal. What are Schwann's cells? Cells of the neurulema is called Schwann's cells. Stenson duct. Duct of the parotid gland. Maximum level of noise the human ear can bear is 130 decibels. True nerve of hearing. The cochlear portion of the auditory nerve is true nerve of hearing. Thymus gland lies in the thorax about the level of the bifurcation of the trachea. Hormones secreted by adrenal cortex. Hydrocortisone, aldosterone and corticosterone. FFP means fresh frozen plasma. Swelling of right parotid gland found in mumps disease. ISG means immune serum globulin. Antidote of phosphate is iron. Leukoplakia. Leukoplakia is marked by thick white patches on the tongue and also on the buccal mucous membrane and gums. It is seen in smokers. Largest cranial nerve is trigeminal. How many pairs of cranial nerves are there? 12 pairs. CSF means cerebrospinal fluid. CSF is secreted by choroid plexus. Pressure of CSF is 60 to 140 mm of water. Cystitis mean inflammation of the bladder. Pyelonephritis mean inflammation of the tissue of the kidney and of the renal pelvis. Uremia means presence of renal waste product in the blood. Leukocytosis mean it is a term used to describe increase in the total number of WBCs in the blood. WBCs is more than 10,000 per cubic millimeters. Thank you.